Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to cancel your DreamHost account. So it's either a domain, a hosting, or just you want to delete everything. So all you have to do is go ahead to your left side of this menu and click on Bill and Account and Manage Account. And after that you will see your information. So you will see your active plans here. So this is the hosting plan, this is a Dream Shield, and this is a email. Here is a domain registration. So choose whichever you want to cancel. After that, click Manage. And after that, you will see that you have Close Account option. You can also create a backup here. And after that, you can also go ahead to the bottom here and you can cancel your plan. So you can turn off automatic renewal. So and once the it will be on expiration date, you can basically not pay anymore and cancel your plan. So that's it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.